All the images shown in this video are real photographs from the surface of Mars. No 2D or 3D graphics, no reconstructions of anything. Every frame shown is a fragment of an alien planet. Mars amazes with its incredible scale and silence. The expanse seems endless and time feels as if it has stopped. But could there be any life out there? Or maybe a hint of it? The dunes of Mars resemble those on Earth, but they form differently. The wind is weak and the atmosphere is thin, and the sand moves slowly, almost imperceptibly. Crests and dunes form over many years. Each dune is a trace of thousands of years of Martian history. The distant hills appear soft, but that's the result of billions of years of erosion. Rivers once flowed here. Lakes were formed. The clay discovered by the rovers is evidence of prolonged contact with water. Mars was not always a dry and cold desert. The temperature can drop to -80 degrees Celsius. The sky changes color, from yellowish to blue at sunset. Each panorama is the result of dozens of shots combined into a single frame. Machines scan the world piece by piece, and then they piece it all together. Mars seems motionless, but it is alive slowly. Dust rises. The seasons change. The polar caps grow and shrink. There is no sound in the ground here. Only a gentle wind and sand whispering their ancient stories. Once waters used to flow here. The clay in Glen Torridon is evidence of millions of years of water activity. There could have been lakes here that lasted long enough to form minerals. Layers of sedimentary rocks reveal the history of ancient catastrophes. Avalanches, water flows, wind, and climate changes. Each layer of stone is like a page of a book written billions of years ago. The surface is flat and deserted in some places. In some places, it's cut by stone plateaus. The smallest details are visible at high resolutions. Every stone, every crack, every trace of the past. Mars rovers slowly move across the surface, studying the terrain, recording the smallest details, transmitting gigabytes of data back to Earth, which then become panoramas like these Among these plains and hills, there could once have been a water cycle. Rivers eroded rocks, forming deltas and channels. Today, all of this is the dry traces of an ancient planet. Stone. Today, there are machines created by humans standing on Mars. They are studying the plains, rocks, and dunes, recording every inch of the surface so that we can see this world in a way we could never see with our own eyes. Mars is a world of silence, cold and vastness. There is no movement here that we are used to seeing. Here, every speck of dust slowly moves with the wind. Every crack in the rock is a trace of time. Every photograph is a piece of another planet. Every panorama is a window into Mars' past. With the help of these images, scientists study the geological history, climate, and potential water systems. Mars appears to them not just as a red dot in the sky, but as a real world with horizons, dunes, plains, and ancient water, which is still preserved in minerals and layers. Mars is ancient, cold, a mysterious planet. Every panorama, every frame, a witness to a billion years of history. And all of this was captured by machines that humans managed to send to another planet. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next exciting journey through space.